Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, aka Wagwan. So I've never shown myself in my video, so today I decided that I'm going to show myself in my video. So welcome to Tam Tam's Kitchen, and today I'm going to be making some authentic Jamaican Guinness punch. I've got my ingredients over here that I'm going to use to make my Guinness punch. And just let me introduce myself to you guys. My name is Tasha, but my kitchen name is Tam Tam. That's a part of my name as well. Hence the reason why my YouTube channel name Tam Tam's Kitchen. So I just want to thank all of my subscribers that I've already got on my channel. And if you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. Guys, it's free. It's free. Like, you don't have to pay to subscribe. So I would appreciate if you do subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna make some Guinness punch, and I'll be showing you guys how I make Guinness punch authentic Jamaican style. These are the ingredients that I'm gonna use in my Guinness punch. So I've got some mixed spice, some ground nutmeg, and some sweet cinnamon over here, grounded ones. I've got 2 supplegen, 2 Guinness punch, and I've got some peanuts over here soaking, and I've got a sash of oats right here. So you can get any oats. You don't have to get the sash packet, but it's better to get this one, so you can just use one of these in your Guinness punch. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys now how I make my Guinness punch. So first, guys, I am going to blend my peanut in my NutriBlend before I start making my Guinness punch. So just throw your peanuts in there like so. Let me get a spoon to help me with this. So put your peanuts in there, put peanuts in, and I'm not going to use all of the water, so I'm going to put some back in here. So guys, just transfer your peanuts into a NutriBlender, and I am going to blend mine before I start making the Guinness punch. So plug your NutriBlender in, make sure it's tight, and then I am just going to blend my peanuts like so. Yeah, make sure it's blended out like so. So guys, I thought I was actually recording, but I wasn't. So I have thrown 1 Guinness in here and 1 Supergen, and now I'm gonna add the other Supergen in there. Just add it like so. Add your Supergen. Okay, and now I am going to add my oats. So add your oats in like so, and you're just gonna put a little bit of cinnamon, just a little touch of cinnamon, just for flavor. I would say half a teaspoon of mixed spice, 1 teaspoon of grounded nutmeg. Okay, so I am going to blend this. I'm just going to blend it now. So after you blend your oats, blend it up, then now I am going to add the peanut that I've blended before in my NutriBlend to make it smaller. So when you blend the peanut, this is how it looks. That's it. Just transfer it to your Guinness punch. Just transfer some to your Guinness punch. and it depends on how thick you guys want this to be. If you like it really thick, then you can add it and see how thick you like it as you go along. So put your lid on and blend your peanut out again to make it more smooth. So add more peanuts to your Guinness punch. So I'm adding all of my peanuts to my Guinness punch because I like it very thick and nice. Put that in the sink over there. So I am also gonna add one more sash of oats. So I'm getting my oats over here. So add another sash of oats to your Guinness punch. There you go. And now I am going to blend that all up together. I'm gonna use a bigger spoon just to see how my thing is blending out. So can you see that, guys? Yeah. So if you can see that the peanuts bit is very, very, very tiny. Like it's so tiny. That's the reason why I soaked my peanut for about 2 hours in warm water, so that when you blend it out, it can be much more smooth. Okay, so now I am going to add my condensed milk. This is to sweeten it. I am going to add about half of this because the Guinness punch is really bitter, so I'm gonna add half of this. Let me use a spoon to assist me in doing this. Ooh, I did not expect that. So add your milk to your Guinness punch. So I'm gonna add half of it at first, and then I will blend it up and I will see how it tastes. Let me get let's put it on here. So don't worry, guys, my surface is clean. I've cleaned everything before I started. Let me get a clean spoon there so that when I blend it up, put that in the bin with some paper. And I'm gonna blend right now. So blend your Guinness punch again. So guys, at this point I am gonna taste my Guinness punch to see how sweet it is. So I'm gonna put it in my hands to taste it. That's it's still a bit bitter, yeah, and that's how we taste stuff in the Caribbean. We put it in our hand with it because we don't use a spoon. Put it in the thing, and then no, we don't do that. So yeah, so I am gonna add some more milk to my Guinness punch. So this is the spoon that I was using with the milk, and add a little bit more. I know it seems like it's a lot, but you know Guinness is really bitter, so use as much as you would like and how sweet you want it to be. I don't really like stuff like really sweet, so I don't think I'm gonna add any more, but let's see when I blend it up. So after you blend your Guinness punch, and you use a spoon that I used to taste it, so I'm gonna taste it again. Yeah, it's still a little bit bitter, but As I said, I don't want to put too much milk in it, but I'm just gonna add one more spoon because I don't want to be drinking no bitter thing. So let's add some more. Okay, that's fine. And it's not so thick, guys, so I am gonna add one more oats because I like my Guinness punch a little bit thick. I don't want to be drinking it and it's so watery. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add one more oats. So I'll show you guys when I'm adding my oats. So here you go. I'm adding one more sash of oats. So add your oats in, and you don't have to make it as thick as I want mine, but I like mine that way, so that's why I'm making it that way. It tastes better to me, especially when you get some ice and it's very chill. Oh my god, it is lovely. So oh my god, that's making a mess, but you know that's how it goes when you're in the kitchen cooking. So blend your oats out. So guys, after blending out your Guinness punch for about 3 to 5 minutes, then I am going to taste it again. Yeah, that's how I like it. That's how I like it. So I'm gonna taste my Guinness punch again. So this time, I'm sure I won't be putting any more milk. Hmm. Damn, it hit the spot. So let me wipe my nose because my nose is eating too. So at this point, my Guinness punch is as sweet as I like it. So it depending on how sweet you want your, you know what guys, let me adjust this camera so you can see my face a little bit more. Yeah, so at this point my Guinness punch is as sweet as I would like it to be. So it depending on how sweet you like your juice or your drink when you are making it. So when you're adding your condensed milk, I put it over there. When you're adding your condensed milk, make sure that you do it as sweet as you would like it to, that part. So in all, I think I have put about 3 sash of oats in here to make it this thick as I want it to, because I don't like it too runny. So I am gonna pour it out in my jug right here, right now, and then I'm gonna taste it so you guys can see. So I'm pouring my Guinness punch in my jug. Can you see that, guys? I hope you can see it. Let's put it down a bit more. Yeah. So pour your Guinness punch in. It might be too much, but don't worry. Just set that aside, and you know what? I'm gonna drink some right now. So get yourself a glass if you have some left over. I'm gonna put this in the fridge. I'm gonna put this in the fridge, guys, to chill. So look at my Guinness punch. Oh, that looks lovely, isn't it? So yep, so I'm gonna pour some Guinness punch in here. And you know what? This is the thick bottom bit of it. So let's get some in here. Ooh. Oh yeah. So get some in here. And guys, that's how I make my authentic Jamaican Guinness punch. And cheers. That tastes good. That tastes good, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe And this is my first video that I am showing myself. So guys, oh my god, I don't know, but it takes me a little bit of time to do this. And yeah, so please share, like, subscribe, and click that notification button so you can see when I'm gonna upload my next video. mm, delish. You should try this recipe. You should try this recipe. And in all, I've used about 1.5 Guinness in this recipe, because as you can see, I've got some leftover Guinness here. So you don't really need a lot of Guinness because Guinness is bitter, and you don't want to add a lot of condensed milk. You try to cut down on the sweetness, you know what I mean? No diabetes around here. So yeah, this is a treat, guys. You don't make this all the time. This is a little treat for you. It's not something that you drink every week or every day. This is a treat in the Caribbean. This is special, especially men. They like to drink this because you know what they say. You know what they say when they drink these stuff. So yeah, go ahead, try this recipe. Drop a comment below and let me know what you guys think of this recipe. So thank you for watching again, and goodbye. See you next time.